Hello, welcome to the DMA Summer News. This is the weather report. Tomorrow will be nice and chilly with a 72 degrees, and the day after will be really hot with a 98 degrees. Excuse me, we have breaking news. Back to headquarters.
Hello, we just got news of a bomb threat being phoned in at Sunset Recreation. Students at UCLA are now being evacuated to Drake Stadium. We will now hear more from our reporter, Colleen.
Hello, this is Colleen. We are currently at Drake Stadium where the students are filing in. They are also currently waiting for instructions from police.
Colleen, how is the current atmosphere?
The atmosphere is currently very positive. The students are making the best out of their situation and are staying optimistic by playing games and socializing with each other.
Thank you, Colleen. Stay tuned for updates on DMA Summer Institutes.